Hello and welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Dig's credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The Dig's credit card or the Dig's Sporting Goods credit card is a store-branded credit card offered by Dig's Sporting Goods. To log into your Dig's Sporting Goods credit card account, go and open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in dsg.syf.com and press enter on a keyboard. On the next page, you'll need to enter your credentials in the text boxes appearing on the screen. Access your account by entering your user ID in the first text box associated with your account, and then on the next field type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID on this particular device, check this little box at the bottom that says Remember User ID. If you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked for your security. If you don't remember your user ID or your password during logging in, you can click on this I forgot my user ID or the password link in order to get help accessing back your credentials. Finally, after filling in the details, click the Secure Login button and you'll be able to log into your Dig's credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.